Hey guys, I'm back here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new Lamborghini Aventador SVJ I found from this website called Ivy Models. I've looked all over YouTube and I don't see anyone with this model, so I decided why not I should buy it. And it's actually a really rare model. It's actually one of 16, I believe, in the world. They only made 99 of these models. And it's the 118 scale, so I'm going to be unboxing it and we're going to be seeing it for the first time together. So yeah, let's see. Let's start unboxing it. I already opened the brown bag it came in. So now this is the actual thin. If I can open it. Shit. I don't want to mess it up. Shakes. Okay, there we go. Oh. Really looking to... Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is so clean. What the hell? Wait, let me take this off the box. Wait, hold up, guys. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard to take off? I don't want to mess up anything. Yeah, guys, I've never seen this model on YouTube or just in, at all. I've tried searching this car up on YouTube and I don't see anyone that has this. Man, I don't know how I found it either. Wait, I got it right here. There it is. There's a bunch of, hair and bullshit on it, but I think that's just what I said. Yeah, it came out from that. Guys, look at this. Oh, it's from Novetic. That's the company that makes exhaust for the SVJ, I think. Dude, it's look right there. 16 out of 99, limited edition. Novetic Aventador SVJ. Guys, that is so clean. Hey, wait, can I take it off from the glass? I believe so. Oh, I can. Careful, careful. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this. Oh, it's like leather. Oh, man. That is so clean. It's so detailed, too. Yes, from the... No, take it. The 16 out of 99. I don't want to touch it, honestly. Dude, that carbon, though. Oh, my gosh. This is my absolute dream car. As soon as I seen this, I just had to. I just absolutely had to buy it. Let me just look at that. This side. Oh my gosh. That is so clean. Man, that is just pretty. It looks monstrosity. Look at that. Absolute beast, bro. So clean. Guys, I'm actually going to make an upcoming video where, I unbox, not necessarily unbox, but, show and let you guys see all my model cars I have. I mostly have the 118 models, so I'm going to make a new video on that. I don't know when, probably next week or next month. Because I'm probably going to be buying a little bit more. But, man, this SVJ, though, so clean. Well, this is my absolute dream car. This one and the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Those two cars, woo, that's all I need in life. My life is perfect if I had those two cars. Man, that's so clean, bro. Look how detailed it is. I don't know if you guys can see from the inside, but so, it's detailed so good. Wow, just wow. Look, they even added the carbon fiber inside the... I'm a loss of words, honestly, at this point. I mean, that is just beautiful. Absolute beauty. Look at the rims. It's wow. Yeah, I'm a loss of words. I'm honestly a loss of words right now. Yeah, so here it is. This is the SVJ Aventador Novetic. It's in matte black with red, color interior. I forgot what they call that word. Red outline. Yeah, the outline, I think. Yeah, the red outline. Has a leather base. It's It's a limited edition, like how you guys can see. 16 out of 99, one of 99 in the world. And I got my hands on one, and I'm very, very, very happy because it's one of my absolute dream cars of all time. I would literally take this over a mansion, and I'm not joking on that. Man. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll hit you guys up with the next video. Peace.